Welcome to our channel where we explore the world of personal finance. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the power of passive income and how it can help you achieve financial independence. We'll discuss what passive income is, the different types of passive income streams available, and strategies for building and investing in passive income. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to create a sustainable and diversified income stream that can provide financial freedom and stability. Let's start by defining what passive income is. Passive income is any income that you earn without actively working for it. This can include rental income, dividends from stocks, interest from savings accounts, or profits from a business that you own but don't actively manage. The goal of passive income is to create a source of income that continues to generate money even when you're not working. This can provide financial freedom and stability, allowing you to live off your passive income instead of relying on a traditional job. Now let's take a look at the different types of passive income streams available. One popular option is rental property, where you can earn rental income by owning and renting out a property. For example, if you invest $200,000 in a rental property and earn $1,500 per month in rent, that's $18,000 per year in passive income. Another option is dividend stocks, where you can earn income from the dividends paid by a company's profits. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a stock that pays a 3% dividend, you'll earn $300 per year in passive income. You can also opt for Robo-adviser or index funds, which are passive investment options that require minimal management. For example, if you invest $50,000 in an index fund that returns 8% per year, you'll earn $4,000 per year in passive income. Additionally, you can also invest in peer-to-peer lending, create an online course or ebook, and also opt for affiliate marketing. For example, if you create an online course that sells for $100 and sells 100 units, that's $10,000 in passive income. Building and investing in passive income streams takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. Here are a few strategies to help you get started. Start small and diversify. It's important to start small and diversify your income streams. This way, you can test different options and see which ones work best for you. Once you've established a passive income stream, automate it as much as possible. This way, you can focus on building more streams while still earning income from the ones you have. Continuously invest and reinvest. Continuously invest and reinvest your passive income into your business or income streams to grow it. Educate yourself. Learn more about the different types of passive income streams and strategies for building and investing in them. Building a diversified portfolio of passive income streams can provide financial freedom and stability. Remember to start small, diversify, automate, continuously invest, and educate yourself about different types of income streams and strategies. With the right approach, you can achieve your financial goals and live off the income you generate without actively working. Thanks for watching.